Okay, what we're doing here, we're looking at my chainsaw, and I'm going to try and sharpen it. What I'm trying to show you is, if you look just on the top, there's just a tiny little nick. I'm trying to hold this still with my hand, and what I'm trying to show you is, see the white? Well, it's like this is blunt. You don't want to see that white line. If you can see it along the top, it's got to be clear. It's difficult to explain this really. But yeah, this has had a bit of bashing. So I'm going to try and sharpen, and I don't want to see that, you see. I started doing this one. There we go. I want that. You want that crisp and clean and sharp as you possibly can. If you run your finger over it, it should virtually cut you. And so I'm going to try and do some close-ups of sharpening my blades. Look at this one. No, he's not. That's not too bad, see? Not the best pictures, let's have a look. Yeah, that's blunt as well. See, it's a bit knobbly? And that's what we don't want. So I'm going to do a couple of these and then I'll bring you back and show you the difference. Okay, I'm going to use this file, which is recommended for this blade. And if you can see, it's fixed. The actual file's fixed into a smooth piece of metal. It's come a little bit loose. I'm going to tighten that up. Oh, it's come out the handle. Okay, and what the idea is you slide this over the top of this little piece here. Okay, you got him there, just that little piece there. And then what you want to do is tuck it in. I'll try and get this in. And you want to try and follow the same path as what the tooth looks like originally. I don't know if I can show you that actually. Let's have a look. There we go. At least I can do it this way. So if you can see that the tooth here is like it's sort of concaved like so, and what you want to do is follow it at that sort of angle, but also it's got to touch the top here and this part here, which is the cutting edge. All right, so that bit there and the top, and it's got to be nice. And if I can get a close of that, I can show you what I'm going to do. So it's this one here. Okay, I'm going to keep my finger on that one, and then I'm going to run the saw across, and I can't do it because you're in the way. So what I'm going to do is show you afterwards when I've just done a couple of strokes with it. And so you're going to the same angle, you're putting the saw on, the blade on, and you're coming on, if I can show you, at that angle. See that there? There we go. So if you look at that now, I'm actually following. Where are we? We've gone down a bit. See? There we are. So too far out, too far the other way, and you just want it just so it see that? So it's that sort of angle. That's the general. So you've got to try and keep the same position. You'll get the hang of it. Okay, so there's the iron filings. I just come off. You can see now, if I just touch that, is razor sharp. Okay, just that bit there. So we've cut the edge here as well. So it's sharp there and it's sharp at the top, and that's what you want. That's your cutting edge, the one at the top and just the side. And that's at a very, very sort of, I don't even know what angle that is at. So, I don't know, 30 degree, 25 degree angle. So what you'll do, you do each one, so you'd move your saw along. I've got it in lock position at the moment. So what you do, if you look along here, you do this one next, because it's in the same position, okay? So you bring your file across and do exactly the same with this one. Let's see if I can show you from a different angle, okay? So where my thumb is the one we're doing next. Make sure the angle's right. A little bit of pressure. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, see, it's nice and clean, and that on the top is razor sharp. So what you do, you just keep sliding your blade across. So you take the lock off. Next one, this one here. So put the lock back on again, and away we go. You can't see that camera. And that's it. And then what you want to do then is, me personally, I just turn the saw around and do the other side. That's what I do. So in other words, I just do a 180 degree turn and away we go. So a little quick video on how I sharpen my saw blade by hand. Alright, take care, catch you in the next one. All the best. How do you know when you've done them all? Because they're all clean. You'll see, there look. So now what I do is turn the saw in the other way and look, go the opposite direction now. Look. So where are we? Oops. Now go that way. So grab the tool, put them on top, and then we are now going. There we go. One hand is a bit difficult. There we go. See that? And that's what we're doing. Alright. Take care. See you in the next one. Also, if you're sharpening your blade, well, which is my finger. Hold on. Let's try it a little bit. There we go. Can you see that? I'm catching the other side. Where's my hand there? I'm just catching that. So this is a rough indication that your chain's coming towards end of life and you're starting to dig in. So you've took as much as you can back off this cutting blade and it's starting to sort of damage it. So it's been sharpened a lot. Someone's had this before me. This was the second hand one. So it looks like and they're not expensive. It looks like I'm due for a new chain. They're not expensive. I bought the whole plate. Not a genuine one, but a plate and 2 chains for about 11 quid off eBay. But yeah, I think it's coming towards the end of life. As you can see, I'm starting to hit that, and that way you're not going to get a true cut or a true grind on the tooth. So yeah, alright, so take care. Sorry, hope that helps. Take care, see you in the next one.